Did you know that 73% of Android developers admit they've wasted *hours* on a single bug that could have been solved in under a minute if they'd known the right Stack Overflow trick? Stick around and we'll reveal the exact search query that turned a month-long nightmare into a 30-second win. What if I told you the biggest myth about Android debugging is not * using a debugger? That's right. Most developers chase logs and breakpoints while the real answer lives hidden in a single Stack Overflow comment posted 3 years ago. Picture this. You're sprinting to ship a feature. The app crashes on every device. And the stack trace looks like a foreign language. You've tried every Google search, scoured official docs, yet the fix stays elusive. You feel the pressure from product, the sting of a missed deadline, and the creeping doubt that maybe Android isn't for you. What if that treasure chest held the exact 3-step method that elite Android engineers use to turn any Stack Overflow thread into a bulletproof solution? In the next minutes I'll walk you through that exact workflow. No more endless scrolling. No more guesswork. Lesson 1. Search like a pro. We'll break down the advanced Google dork operators that let you pinpoint the exact Stack Overflow post you need. Then we'll filter by accepted answer, recent activity, and Android version, so you only see code that actually runs on API 3.3 today. Lesson 2. Scale the solution. Learn how Google engineers refactor a Stack Overflow snippet into a multi-module Gradle setup. How Netflix optimizes the same code for low-latency streaming. And how Amazon turns it into a serverless Lambda for Android backends. You'll see real-world patterns you can copy instantly. The biggest mistake? Blindly copying code. One misplaced context reference can leak memory across millions of devices, costing companies up to $1.2 million in crash-related refunds. We'll dissect 3 common copy-paste sins, show the hidden bugs they spawn, and how to catch them before they ship. Now, roll up your sleeves. I'll walk you through the exact implementation. Keycap 1. Search with the query Android ViewModel Lifecycle Exception Site. StackOverflow.com Keycap 2. Filter by accepted answer within the last 6 months. Keycap 3. Pull the snippet. Refactor into a view model provider. Factory using Kotlin extensions. Keycap 4. Run the unit test suite. Green everywhere. Follow each click. You'll have a reusable module in under 5 minutes. The outcome? A 63% reduction in crash reports, a 4-star bump in Play Store ratings, and a sprint that finishes * 2 days early. Developers who applied this exact flow reported a 2-hour time saver on every new feature, turning frustration into confidence. Here's the premium tip most devs miss. Meta tag your own answers. By adding custom tags like #Android Kotlin ViewModel to your Stack Overflow posts, the algorithm surfaces your own solutions first, turning you into a community authority and giving you instant code review feedback. If you want more Android power-ups, smash that subscribe. Join the Discord where we dissect the hottest Stack Overflow threads live. And stay tuned for our next video. Turning 100 Stack Overflow answers into a production-grade Android SDK. See you in the comments.